my calculations, the last vehicle is now on the section.
Last truck, yeah.
Can we ask as many people to help pull out this plate once the last one's finished, please?
All help.
Have a word with all the spectators, thanks for that. With all the spectators that are here.
Yeah, I didn't want anyone to start pulling tape, just in case someone pulls some that they shouldn't for a minute.
That's fine, we'll wait until